Good morning, all.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir.
Today we will do that problem of bill of exchange. Okay, we have to draw a bill of exchange. I have given you the question prior only. Uh, uh, when we are drawing bill of exchange, we have to make this question comes for 5 marks in the board exam. And when we have to draw a plain AC as on the screen you can see. I have given a plain outline. In this outline, you have to make this outline, and then at the center you have to write bill of exchange. Write it, bill of exchange. The center you will write bill of exchange. Then you have to write the drawer's name. Then you are supposed to write drawer's name. See, who is the drawer here? Mr. Rahul Chaudhary. Correct? You'll write at the corner here. You can see where the in the screen you can see where it is. Correct? The right corner. Then his address. What is his address? Hello.
105 Godbandar Road, Thane.
105 Godbandar Road, Thane. Okay. See, you can write it. Then you have to write the date. Which is the date of the bill? 15th December. 15th December 2013. Okay.
Yes.
Then you have to draw the stamp. Draw the stamp. John?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then you have to see what is the period of the bill. What is the period of the bill?
60 days. 60 days.
60 days. So what we are supposed to write? 60 days.
After the date pay.
Because here pay is also present. 60 days after the date, pay to
Sonal Chaudhary.
Sonal. Because Sonal Chaudhary is pay. Okay?
Yes.
60 days after the date, pay to Sonal Chaudhary. You have to leave one line over here, correct? You have to leave this line. This line shows that you have to leave one line after the date column. You will leave one line and then write 60 days after the date, pay to 60 days after date, pay to Sonal Chaudhary, comma, her address MG Road, Dhule, or her order, because Sonal is female. So we have to write her. If it would be a male, we will write
His.
correct. Okay. Now, order the sum of rupees 10,000 only, because the bill is for 10,000, correct? Sum of rupees 10,000 only for the value received. Followed? After that, you have to write the signature. This is signature of, SD means signature of Rahul Chaudhary. Following? Then you have to write the amount, that is 10,000 in the figure. We have written in words, so we have to write in figure. Sorry, here it should be 10,000. It is 47. It is coming. You have to write 10,000. 10,000 you have to write. It is from the prior slide. It has come. Then you have to write the address of the drawee to Prakash Patil, 207 Ganga Road, Nasik. Then you have to write the accepted period. Accepted for 3 months. Only.
Sir, amount 10,000 है ना?
Yes, I said you beta. It should be 10,000. ये मेरे prior slide में से आया है. मैंने गलती से किया नहीं है change. Here it should be 10,000 only.
सर 3 months के लिए वो कहाँ पे दिए?
ये भी नहीं है correct. नहीं लिख दो 3 months. वहाँ पे बिल में कर दो 3 months के लिए. Okay?
60 days करें ना?
नहीं. हाँ.
तो?
No. Make it 3 months. I will tell you how it is. I will tell you. Write it. Make it 3 months. Okay? Huh? Hello?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. Now see, this bill is being accepted. This bill this person, that is Rahul, has drawn for 60 days. 60 days means 2 months. But Prakash is saying, no, I am not able to pay. So he is saying 3 months only. Okay? 3 months. वहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में आता है ऐसे कि accepted for 3 months. Understood? Make in the question accepted for 3 months.
Okay.
Where the date of acceptance is there now, right there, 3 months.
Okay.
Even see, sometimes the amount also he will accept for different. That is, if the bill is of 10,000, he may accept it for 9,990.
Okay.
Okay, at that time you have to write that amount also in the accepted column. जहाँ पे यहाँ पे लिखा है ना नीचे, here down you have written, see. So you will write accepted for 3 months for rupees 9,990 only. Then you will write the signature and date and everything. Okay.
Yes.
What is the thing that is? अभी देखो तुम्हारे घर पे लेटर आता है.
Yes, sir.
रजिस्टर्ड पोस्ट से लेटर आता है तो तुम्हारे को लेटर देने के बाद में वो पोस्टमैन क्या करता है, सिग्नेचर लेता है, या you purchase from Amazon and all, correct?
Signatures लेते हैं.
Yes, they take signature. Nowadays they are taking directly on the mobile. On mobile they take the signature, correct? So that is digital one. So that is known as acceptance. That is, you have accepted it.
Okay.
Means that product which you have purchased, you have accepted it. That is the acceptance. ये जो पूरा बिल बनाया है उसको तुमने एक्सेप्ट किया है तभी वो बिल बनता है, नहीं तो तब तक वो क्या ड्राफ्ट रहता है. Till that time this bill is just a draft. Understood?
Yes.
All have followed?
Yes.
Now bill बनाने में कोई डाउट
Yes,
नहीं है?
नहीं.
Okay. Now we will take a small problem. I have not given you the bill of exchange pro forma. I will directly be telling you how to do it. You think? So here I will give you one small problem. Just take it down, then we will start solving that. Okay? Means it will be like journal. Who all are present today? Only 18. Deepali, Sakina, Yash, Krishna, Aman. Okay. Take down this problem. Appear.
Yes, sir.
Now read this problem.
Krishna sold goods to Yash for rupees 45,000. On the same, Krishna draws a bill on Yash for rupees 45,000. Yash accepted and returned to Krishna. On the same day, Krishna discounted the bill with the bank for rupees 44,750. Before the due date, Yash approached Krishna and requested him to renew the bill. Krishna agrees on the condition that he should pay rupees 20,000 and accept a new bill for the balance.
Take down this. ये कहाँ तो भी वर्किंग नोट में लिख के रखो. ये भी लिख के रखो. Written? All have written?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the condition. In the question at the end, hello. In the question at the end, you write past journal entry in the books of Krishna. Write it. Past journal entry in the books of Krishna and draw a journal. And draw a journal. You know how to draw a journal, correct? Date,
Yes.
particular, LF, debit amount in rupees, credit amount in rupees. Drawn, written. Do it fast,
Yes, sir.
children, and
Yes,
respond me
sir.
fast. And now see here, in this picture, this fellow is Krishna, okay? And this person is Yash, okay? Actually, मैंने यश की जगह पे कोई लड़की को लेना चाहिए था. जाने दो, no problem. This is Krishna, and we all are Krishnas because we are posting journal in the books of Krishna. जिसके बुक में एंट्री मार रहे वो हम हैं, ऐसे assume करना है. Yes, we have to assume that कि we ourselves are Krishna, and whatever we are doing is that I am doing. You have to assume like that, and then you have to post the entry. Getting? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now what is now Krishna is selling the bill. Now don't go on mute. 2-3 लोग तो भी mute पे मत जाओ. Krishna is selling the goods to Yash. Krishna के पास से क्या जा रहा है? Goods जा रहा है. Goods जा रहा है. Okay? किसके पास जा रहा है? Who is the receiver?
Yes.
Yes.
Yash is the receiver. So Yash हमारे पास से क्या जा रहा है? Goods जा रहा है. किसके पास जा रहा है?
यश के पास.
यश के पास जा रहा है. तो Yash is the receiver. Yash account debit. To
Sales account.
sales because goods are going. Getting? To sales. Pass the entry, first entry. First entry pass करो. लिखा यश account debit to sales. Amount लिख दो 45,000. यश account debit to sales 45,000. Being goods sold to यश on credit. या मैं लिखकर दिखाऊं? जम रहा है ना?
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yash account debit 45,000 to sales 45,000 being goods sold to Yash. Okay. Now he is drawing the bill. आगे का क्या बोला है उसमें? आगे क्या बोला है? On the same day, Yash, Krishna draws the bill on the same amount on Yash and Yash accepts the bill. Getting? यहाँ तक का एंट्री ये देखो, ये पूरा हम लोग they are writing full. That is Krishna is drawing a bill. Now Krishna drawn a bill. Now Krishna is drawing the bill on Yash. Now the bill is going to Yash. Now then Yash accepts the bill. जब Yash accept करता है तो बिल कहाँ आ जाता है वापस? कृष्णा के पास. तो अभी यहाँ पे हम कौन है? Who we are? We are Krishna. Now see, now pay attention. कृष्णा की तरफ खाली देखो. कृष्णा के पास क्या आ रहा है?
बिल.
कृष्णा के पास क्या आ रहा है? देखो कृष्णा के पास क्या आ रहा है? बिल. किसके पास से आ रहा है?
यश.
यश के पास.
यश के पास. So the entry will be bill receivable account debit to Yash. Right. Bill receivable account debit to Yash. 45,000. Being bill accepted. आगे क्या बोला है? आगे क्या बोला है?
On the same day, Krishna discounted the bill with the bank for rupees 44,000.
Now see, now bill is been discounted. Now see, here this Krishna draws the bill and it is sent to Yash. Yash accepts it. अभी तक का entry इधर तक हो गया, correct? On the same day, now bank comes. On the same day, this Krishna is going to the bank. Now see, अभी से आगे से देखो. अभी ये कृष्णा बैंक में गया. कृष्णा ने क्या किया? बिल किसको दिया? बैंक को दिया. अभी हमारे पास बिल डेबिट में था. देखो बिल डेबिट में था. अभी बिल क्या हो गया? क्रेडिट में जाएगा. टू बिल हो जाएगा. Getting? Now see the second entry. Second entry is bill receivable to Yash. Getting? Now the entry will be, now वो bill receivable जो debit था, it will go to credit. To bill receivable हो जाएगा. And what he is receiving? He is receiving
Cash.
cash from bank. Okay? So it will be bank account debit. लिखो entry. Bank account debit. Just write the entry. Bank account debit. Discount account debit. Discount account debit. To what it will come? What he is giving?
Bill receivable.
Bill.
To bill receivable. Okay? हो गया?
Yes.
Now see, नाउ मैंने तुमको वर्किंग नोट में लिखने के लिए बोला था। देखो बिल कितने का है?
45,000.
लिखो बिल के सामने वाले अमाउंट में, बिल के सामने लिखो 45,000. बिल इज 45,000. हाउ मच बैंक इज गिविंग?
44,750.
So right in front of bank 44,750. What will be the discount then?
250.
250.
250. Followed. So that was the working note which I showed you. Get it?
हेलो
Hello.
सर, रेंट से बताइए।
Pardon? See. Now bill अपने पास था। पहले वाला एंट्री क्या था? बिल रिसीवेबल
ये
account debit 45,000 to Yash. Correct? ये था ना?
यस।
Now see, this bill is going to the bank. So it will become to bill receivable. Okay? Gaya, bill gaya. Okay? You saw, I have shown you in that. Correct? दिखाया था ना मैंने?
हाँ
क्या
बताओ।
मिल रहा है? क्या मिल रहा है? पैसा मिल रहा है। बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट किधर से मिलता है? बैंक से। बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट 44,250.
कैश में भी तो पेमेंट मिल सकता है ना?
नहीं. Whenever you will get from bank, you will write bank only. Okay?
Yeah.
Because we have to, if आगे बिल अगर डिसऑनर हो जाता है तो we have to pay to bank.
यस।
Now देखो पूरा टैली हो रहा है क्या? नहीं. 45 and 44 750. So what is the difference coming over here? That is discount. Followed?
यस।
Yes.
अभी समझा?
हाँ समझा।
Being bill discounted with the bank. Now see this amount, that is this 2,000 rupees 250. Why we write in debit side? It is discount. Discount is which account?
नॉमिनल।
Nominal account का rule क्या है?
Debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gain.
Debit all expenses and losses. So we have debited it. Getting?
Yes.
Now see this. Now you pay attention properly. Okay? Now I will show you this. Pay attention properly. First entry you see. What it is the first entry? This is first entry. Getting? Bill receivable account debit to Yash. Okay? Second entry देखो. Third entry. Third entry क्या है? You are paying attention or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now pay attention here. See on the screen. This is your first,
Third
this is your
entry.
second entry and this is your third entry. ये second entry है and this is your third entry. ध्यान दो.
Yes, sir.
Now go to 11th standard. Don't go to 11th standard directly now. Just recall your memories. 11th standard का memory देखो. Now see rectification of error. What we used to do, cut करता था अपन. We used to cut it. Now see, bill receivable is debit and bill receivable is credit.
Yes.
We used to cut. Getting? And this discount, ये discount, that is, अब इसको मैं green में करता हूँ, ये अलग है, okay? ये discount picture में आता ही नहीं, ये गया, हमारा loss है, okay? Don't think it. Now अभी entry क्या बची है देखो. Now we are having only
Bank account debit to yes.
this with us. Okay? Yash and bank
Bank.
is with us. Only these two are with us. See, Yash and bank. Now read the entry. So entry will be bank account debit to
Account.
Yash. See, I am writing here now. Bank is debit. Bank account debit 45,000 to Yash. 45,000. Correct? Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Now आगे का read, I am reading from here. Now further we have to read, that is, say, before the due date. Now before the due date, Yash is coming to Krishna and requesting that he is not able to pay the bill and to renew the bill. Now ये जो bill है, अभी ये किसके पास है bill? बैंक के पास है. यश के पास नहीं है बेटा, बैंक के पास है. क्या देख रहा है तू फिर इतने देर से? ये बिल बैंक के पास है. Now Yash is not going to pay the bill. Now whenever bill dishonors, see please pay attention, whenever bill dishonors होगा तो ये जो एंट्री है उसका उल्टा हो जाएगा. देखो मैंने अभी तक तुमको क्या एक्सप्लेन किया, तुम लोग ध्यान दे रहे थे, करेक्ट? अभी ये एंट्री का उल्टा एंट्री होगा, that is Yash account debit
Bank account.
to bank 45,000. Followed?
Yes.
Yes.
अभी ये एंट्री पास करनी है. This one, this entry you have to pass. बाकी अभी तक जो भी बताया था मैंने वो सब रफ वर्क था, that is explanation part था. This entry you have to draw. So what will be, this is the entry for dishonor of the bill, that is Yash account debit to bank. This is dishonor. Dishonor means he is not able to pay. But one more thing you have to remember, when the Yash is going and requesting to Krishna, that means he is telling that I am not able to pay. Before that he is telling. So this entry will be for dishonor, but we will pass it as being bill renewed. Sorry, being bill cancelled, because he's saying cancel this bill. Being bill cancelled. समझ में आ रहा है?
हाँ.
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
No. Now, what? Yeah, see. अभी तक समझ में आ गई? Shall I wipe this out?
Yes.
Yes.
अभी यश क्या बोल रहा है देखो. Now see, Krishna is saying, okay, I am ready to listen you, but you have to pay me how much rupees?
20,000.
20,000.
20,000. Now when Yash is paying to Krishna, now I said you, we all are Krishna. Yash is paying to us. हमको यश पे कर रहा है, तो हमारे पास क्या आएगा?
Cash or bank?
Cash oblique बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट।
डेबिट।
किसके पास से आ रहा है?
यश।
Yes.
To Yash account. How much is giving? 20,000.
1000।
Following, being part
Yes.
payment received. Being part payment received. Okay.
Hmm.
Now this is over. Now what he is saying? Amount नया बिल बनाना है. Now accept a new bill. New bill बनाने का एंट्री. अभी देखो यहाँ पर मैंने वर्किंग नोट में बताया था 45,000 में से 20,000 is been paid off. From 40 out of 45,000 he is paying 20,000. So remaining is amount is 25,000. Remaining amount is 25,000.
25.
Who is that making so much sound? Okay. So नया बिल बनाना है. नया बिल का एंट्री क्या आएगा? Who will tell me new bill entry? Yes. Fresh bill.
Hmm.
बिल ड्रॉ करना है. बिल ड्रॉ करना. बिल ड्रॉ करना मीन्स बिल एक्सेप्ट करना है. बिल एक्सेप्ट करने का एंट्री क्या आएगा?
अकाउंट डेबिट।
Bill receivable account debit 25,000 to Yash.
यश।
Yes, account.
25,000. Being fresh bill drawn.
एक्सेप्टेड ना।
Being fresh bill accept. Followed?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
थैंक यू।